List methods. List.sort. This method sorts the list in ascending order. The original list is updated. Example 1. Colors is equal to violet, indigo, blue, green. Colors.sort. Print colors. Num is equal to 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 9, 7. Num.sort. Print num. Output. Blue, green, indigo, violet, \. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What if you want to print the list in descending order? We must give reverse is equal to true as a parameter in the sort method. Example. Colors is equal to violet, indigo, blue, green. Colors.sort, reverse is equal to true. Print colors. Num is equal to 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 9, 7. Num.sort, reverse is equal to true. Print num. Output. Violet, indigo, green, blue. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. The reverse parameter is set to false by default. Note, do not mistake the reverse parameter with the reverse method. Reverse. This method reverses the order of the list. Example. Colors is equal to violet, indigo, blue, green. Colors.reverse. Print colors. Num is equal to 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 9, 7. Num.reverse. Print num. Output. Green, blue, indigo, violet. 7, 9, 8, 2, 1, 2, 1, 6, 3, 5, 2, 4. Index. This method returns the index of the first occurrence of the list item. Example. Colors is equal to violet, green, indigo, blue, green. Print colors.index green. Num is equal to 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 8, 9, 7. Print num.index 3. Output. 1, 3. Count. Returns the count of the number of items with the given value. Example. Colors is equal to violet, green, indigo, blue, green. Print colors.count green. Num is equal to 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 8, 9, 7. Print num.count 2. Output. 2, 3. Copy. Returns copy of the list. This can be done to perform operations on the list without modifying the original list. Example. Colors is equal to violet, green, indigo, blue. New list is equal to colors.copy. Print colors. Print new list. Output. Violet, green, indigo, blue. Violet, green, indigo, blue. Append. This method appends items to the end of the existing list. Example. Colors is equal to violet, indigo, blue. Colors.append green. Print colors. Output. Violet, indigo, blue, green. Insert. This method inserts an item at the given index. User has to specify index and the item to be inserted within the insert method. Example. Colors is equal to violet, indigo, blue. #0, 1, 2. Colors.insert 1 green inserts item at index 1. #updated list colors is equal to violet, green, indigo, blue. Hush indexes 0, 1, 2, 3. Print colors. Output: violet, green, indigo, blue. Extend. This method adds an entire list or any other collection data type, set, tuple, dictionary to the existing list. Example 1. Hush add a list to a list colors is equal to violet, indigo, blue. Rainbow is equal to green, yellow, orange, red. Colors.extend rainbow. Print colors. Output: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Concatenating to lists. You can simply concatenate two lists to join two lists. Example: colors is equal to violet, indigo, blue, green. Colors2 is equal to yellow, orange, red. Print colors plus colors2. Output: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.